How to change your age on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to this short tutorial video where I'm going to show you the process of changing the age or your birthday on Facebook. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. Head over to the app of Facebook first. Now to change your age, you can do it within the profile settings or from your profile. So head over to your profile on the top left. From here you'll see an option of edit profile. Just tap on this option. Scroll down from here and tap on edit your about info. Once you're in this section, you just need to scroll down and under basic info, you'll see your current date of birth. To change it, just tap on edit. And now you'd be able to change the year, the month and the day. Just tap on the arrow and choose the one that you want. Similarly, you can also do the same for the month and also for the year. Once you made the changes, you'll also have an option of making your age public or private. If you tap on the arrow on the right, you'll see three options. You can also make it public or set it to friends or friends of friends. Choose this option depending upon your likings and then just tap on save. And your age or your birthday on Facebook will be successfully changed. So that's all it takes to change your age on Facebook. Give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel if you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. That's going to be all for today's video and I'll be back with more.